Okay, good morning, guys. Okay, so basically, we are right now learning a second way. What is the second way? Many times, what happened? We already having the Eclipse inside of your computer. So, if you have already Eclipse in your computer, now how we can exactly install the J2EE architecture inside of that we are learning. Let me show you over here. Okay, I'm going in my search engine and I'm searching over here Eclipse. You can see I have the Eclipse for the enterprises Java purpose, right? Okay, wait, not for that. Okay, you can see Eclipse IDE for the Java developer purpose. Okay, many times I have the this one. So if I have to the Java purpose, then how I can convert into the J2E architecture that we exactly the learning. Okay, it's getting to the time little bit. Okay, I want to launch my workspace. Let me launch. Okay, let me use to the full screen. Okay, this is the welcome screen and this one. Okay, let me say to the keep Eclipse ID being a scanned by Microsoft. Okay, cancel and the proceed. Okay, let me close this welcome page also. And this is exactly your Eclipse IDE for the Java purpose. Even if you can go to your files, new, and after that, if you can search over here, okay, if you can search others, you can see I don't have any web application folders are there. No XML, no your JSP, no servlets. Even over here, I don't have to the HTML and CSS also are available, right? Means right now these applications only for my what purpose? It's available only for my Java purpose. Now I want to use that. I want to install some external things inside of my Eclipse. Okay. So how we can do that means basically I want to install the new software. I want to inbuild a lot of things inside of my this application that is called J2EE. Okay. How we can able to do? See in the top I have over here some toolbar are there. Okay, some tools are there. I want to go to the where I want to go to the help. Okay, after later we need to go to the over here install new software. Okay, let me click over here. Okay, now after later one window will be coming. That window is called available software. Now let's just go to the over here work with what you want to work with. See over here we have the drop down menu. Okay, just drop down menu install and say I want to download eclipse.org release in 2025 and 6. Maybe many times your version is different, it doesn't matter. Select this one first and after later this one they are scanning something, so you need to scroll down from over here. Okay, I'm scrolling down and I want to install right now what. Let me check over here this checkbox. Okay, and say web XML Java EE means enterprises edition I want to be installed. Okay, only select this one. After letter say next. Okay, now what happened? It is taking really time. It's want time to install. Don't rush yourself. Don't switch off your computer also unless and until this process will be not completing. Right now what happened? Okay, let me show you also what is going on. I will be not stopping any video. You'll wait little bit. Okay, I think so. It's taking too much time. So let me pause the video because it's video making to me too much lengthy. Okay, just I'm pausing video. If suppose something is coming in the middle between, I will be again restart the video. Okay, let me take over here. Let me pause this little. Okay, so basically after that previous stuff, you can see over here installation in details, means which file is important for our project purpose. Everything we can see over here and just say to the next. Okay, so I'm saying next. After we need to be accept a license. Okay, I accept the terms of license and agreement and just say about over here finish. Okay, right now we need to wait a long time unless and until your installation software will be a not complete. It should be a went up to the 100%. Many times what happen, it is showing to the 50% lot big time, so you need to be a wait for. Okay, now what happen, it's taking too much time. Let me pause the video, and after later they are pop-upping one message that is called to the restart, means restart your Eclipse again back. Okay, so let me stop over here. When the restart message is pop-upping, I will be again restart the video. Okay, let me pause video right now. Okay, guys, so you can see I just paused video before that. Right now, after when installation is done, you can able to see this screen. Okay, this is screen is what, or this is called one pop-up message. Restart Eclipse IDE to apply the software updates. Means before that we update our software and just we need to be a what happened, we need to be a restart that. Okay, if suppose in middle between something acceptancy or something license, if suppose they are asking, please accept that also. All we need to do the agreement, means something, I think so, suppose some 1 2 3 4 something lines will be coming with the checkbox. Okay, and if suppose they are saying please check all these lines and accept the terms and conditions, so you need to do that. I think so right now it's not come, but when I first time installed that, so that time was there that options. Okay, so please make sure that is it that kind of something option is coming, we need to be a check all that, and after just proceed, and then I think so the restart will be a come. Okay, let's check restart now. Wait little bit because Eclipse is really heavy version we have, heavy software we have, so it's take time. Okay, now they see they are saying allow your public private network and everything. Yes, I want to be allowed that, give to the permission and everything, and I think so no any pop-up anymore. Okay, let's wait little bit also if suppose any pop-up is coming, and I don't think so. Now after that you can see you can close your welcome screen. Now previously when you went over here in the file and after new, okay, file, after your new, we when we went to the others, we don't have a lot of options. Right now see your PHP project, even general Eclipse, lot of even EJB also, after Git, even the Java J2EE also. In J2E what exactly you want, that also are present. Even if you can scroll down, PHP also are there. Even if you can scroll down, even your servlet JSP also is there. Okay, if you cannot able to see, let me write over here JSP. See right now JSP file also are there. Previously that was not over here. Okay, right now all necessary files are came in, means it's installed the dependencies. Okay, right now you can close that. Now when you done that, installation part is complete. Now let's start your J2EE architecture project first. Means let's start to make your first website. Okay, now simply what we need to do, many times I said a down we cannot able to see the servers, right? So let's start to the server setup. Before we are starting to the server, make sure that before we are starting to the server, make sure that you have to the Tomcat available or not. Okay, now if you don't know how to install the Tomcat, okay, let me show you over here where we are right now. Okay, this is your if you have already installed the Eclipse IDE for the Java developer purpose, and then follow this step, right? Okay, see over here, first we need to be first, if suppose we need to open your IDE Eclipse, after later we need to go to the tools, then help, installation, new window, new software, select, work with the everything, a step is there. Okay, so steps already there. If you want to go with that, you can go with that also. Okay, now see over here, rotate also, it's take time to install all files, wait till end. Okay, now after if trust window will be open, then only use to these steps, select all files and click on the button trust selected. Okay, we say to the allow, right? allow type if coming, or maybe something trust type if coming, it's depend upon to the your Windows purpose. Okay, now after allow access, now right now we are in the step number 6. What is that? Download Tomcat link. Okay, this is exactly the Tomcat link. If you don't want to go like that, you can go to the Chrome browser.